My name is William Wyatt. I am a PhD candidate in the interfield of mathematics and economics at Claremont Graduate University, located in Los Angeles, California, in the United States. My primary research goals is to study the impact of distributed ledgers and automation on the firm. My project, Iota Workshop, adds the various types of assets that can be offered as a service using Iota. For example, we have seen electricity as a service, we've seen water as a service. This is tools as a service for the granular economy. The physical project is a vending box that is an escrow and an arbiter. Through an Iota transaction, the box is unlocked, releasing the tool to the user, and upon return of the tool, an RFID sensor acts as an arbiter to verify that the item is secured, releasing the escrow back to the user. There are 2 points I'm trying to assess with this project: barrier of entry and the instruments of labor, or capital. A major component to the barrier of entry is the fixed cost of equipment. By utilizing automation, tools can be offered cheaply and widely available. These tools are the instruments of labor, giving anyone access to producing commodities or goods. The combination of access and reduced barrier of entry means that anyone can design, build, and prototype their products cheaply, offering the entry to a market that was previously inaccessible. By the low cost of instruments of labor, new firms can provide niche and community-specific services that big corporations would normally ignore.